Mnangagwa fears for his own life. Disputed Zimbabwe President Emmerson Mnangagwa now fears for his own life more than ever. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. It is crazy. The president is no longer trusting his own motorcard. 3 senior motorcard members resigned and were allowed to leave to other sectors. Mnangagwa is now trusting the chopper. Each time Mnangagwa travels to the airport, the motorcard goes first without him. He then follows on the helicopter. He is in fear. He now fears everyone, the people of Zimbabwe, the military, and of late his own security agents. On February 15th, Mnangagwa withdrew his letter relieving Zimbabwe Defense Forces Commander General Valerio Zibanda of his duties after the ZDF commander replied to that letter promptly advising the commander-in-chief that he was going nowhere. In the letter, which had some parts written in red to emphasize some points, General Zibanda told Mnangagwa that he can fire his son and everyone else, and not him. This is today's news about Mnangagwa being in fear and no longer trusting anyone because of recent events transpiring. So let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.